All right, what's up, everybody? Thanks for checking in to another list again. This is a list I'm making on February 22nd, Wednesday night here, and it's for trading day Thursday, February 23rd, 2023. Let's get the list started by checking out LLAP, Terrain Orbital Corporation. Today is at $3 currently. Relative volume 4.3, 25 cents daily trading range, $417 million market cap. LLAP was awarded a contract worth 2.4 billion to build satellites. Good news for them. They have an insane IPO level up here, it looks like around $10 a share, and today we checked in perfectly with the 200-day moving average, which may present some resistance. We'll see, but this one is definitely interesting to watch with such a large contract. Next on the list, MNSEF. This is Magnus Energy, currently at 28 cents a share. Magnus Energy is coming in with 1.3 relative volume, 2 cents daily trading range, $278 million market cap. Tesla partnership with Magnus today is the news. Something similar for SGML, Sigma Lithium Corporation. Sigma is currently at 35.75 a share. Tesla has sort of claimed this as a rumor at the moment, but maybe not Tesla. This is sort of a rumor at the moment in general, but it's possible that Tesla's considering buying or offering a bid to buy this company. SGML had relative volume of 1.5, average trading range $2.19, $3.6 billion market cap for SGML. Okay, LZB, Lazy Boy Inc. Lazy Boy currently at 31.70 a share, relative volume 4.2, daily trading range $1.11 per day, $1.3 billion market cap for Lazy Boy, LZB. Beats on the earnings per share, beats on sales. Looks like a little bit of a breakout here of this range. What is that candle? Interesting. There it is. Boom. Tiny little area of trading today around $31. Breakout above the high of about $31, kind of. You could say we're at 31.70 today. Relative volume 4.2, daily trading range $1.11, $1.3 billion market cap for LZB. Possible gap to fill around $35 is what we're looking at here as well with this breakout today. And another target right around 33.70 next up. Okay, on the list also today, BRY, Berry Corp. Currently at 9.79 a share, relative volume 4.2, 44 cents daily trading range, $740 million market cap for BRY. Beats on the earnings per share, beats on sales, doubles the dividend. Good news all around for BRY. Nice trading range on the chart here. Needs to break out above 1020 and 1050 pretty much, which we worked with today, but got kind of pushed back down below. So we'll look for the day's range here to be retested, in my opinion, for BRY. Next up, we got ALIT, 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 ALIT Incorporated, I should say. All right, $10.01. Current share price, relative volume 4.1, 35 cents daily trading range, $4.7 billion market cap for ALIT. This is a earnings drop from Tuesday. It's a continuation here from Tuesday's information dropping. And what is it? They have price targets from Credit Suisse, Needham, and Wedbush. All outperforms and buy ratings. Price targets at $13, $14, $16. Currently, we're at $10.01. ALIT. Solid news for this company and good targets as well from major banks. Next on the list, personal decision, but I think it's worthy with some volume coming in again. Actually, no, this showed up without me expecting it. This is because of the earnings drop yesterday. That's why the relative volume is heavy today. WAG Group, PET is the name. WAG Group is the name of the company, I should say. PET is the stock. Earnings continuation move. Relative volume 4.1, 27 cents daily trading range, $95 million market cap. Currently at $2.59 a share. Price target raised to 8 and a buy rating from Chardan Capital. That's PET. Next up, this is KUKE. KUKE. That's probably not what that is. All right, KUKE Music. I don't know. KUKE coming in at $1.27 daily. Current share price 46.46 relative volume, 13 cents daily trading range, $39 million market cap for a KUKE. Today was a claim up above the 200-day moving average, continuation from previous day, and a little bit of a higher new high here as well. Okay. Next on the list, FVRR, Fiverr International. Fiverr is currently at $45.70 a share. Relative volume 3.1, $2.84 daily trading range, $1.6 billion market cap. Fiverr FVRR has earnings per share beat and a sales miss recently, and price targets at $40 and $55 from Needham, JP Morgan, and Piper, respectively. Piper is listing them as outperform. Needham and JP Morgan are labeling Fiverr as neutral. All right. Next on the list, JP Morgan, JPM, currently at $138.65 a share. Possible support level here, hitting the 50-day moving average, you could call it. And JP Morgan has relative volume 1.5 today, daily trading range $2.65, $407 billion market cap. Volume is interesting to me on JP Morgan because it's speaking pretty well here. Maybe this is a support area getting bought up heavy off the 50-day. We've seen some, let's see, little volume here to drop it, and no volume along the 50-day, decreasing volume around that time. Volume stepping in once we confirm above the 50-day, and new highs coming in with some more extra volume. Test of the 50-day, volume drops off, bounce back up and hold. Some type of a consolidation range, low volume. Bouncing on the 50-day, we're getting some activity here with volume, so we'll see. This is why I think it's a possible support level. Volume is kind of saying that in my opinion, but besides all that, other news, JP Morgan has restricted their employees from using Chat GPT. Funny. I wonder why. Alright, Intuit. INTU. Intuit is currently at $406.81 a share. Relative volume 1.1, $13.61 average trading range, $114 billion market cap for INTU. Intuit. Upcoming earnings, slightly bullish vibes in my opinion. Checking in with the moving averages here. Earnings are going to be on February 23rd. That is literally tomorrow. Earnings tomorrow. And in my opinion, this looks like it has possibility for a good put credit spread potential. I mean, you could set up around like maybe 370 and be pretty confident in something like that, in my opinion. And that's something that I'm considering, at least, I should say. This is not a recommendation. Thank you very much, everybody. ABT is next on the list. That was INTU into it. Now we got Abbott Labs. Abbott Labs is up with, is down actually specifically, but they're coming in with $102.27 price target. Relative volume today hit 3.5. Trading range $2.08 a day. $178 billion market cap for Abbott Labs, ABT. Baby formula has been recalled. A bunch of baby formula got recalled due to bacteria risk or concerns. Not only that, but there's also news that Apple is working on its own glucose monitoring sensors involving no pricks. So that's also why I think the company Dexcom has fallen in sympathy with that news, just along with Abbott falling as well. Both companies bounced back slightly intraday, but we'll see what's next for these companies. Abbott Labs was that. DPZ is next on the list. DPZ is Domino's, currently at $347.20. Well, actually, where are we at? Domino's. Yeah, all right, let's call it $345 a share for Domino's currently. Relative volume was 3 today. Average trading range about $9 a day. Domino's has $12.3 billion market cap. And they just pretty much have a chart here that looks similar to what I just showed you with Intuit. Maybe potential for put credit spreads here. And a potential setup to either completely fail this golden cross again or to recreate this move for a full confirmation and a gas back up towards this 390 level maybe. Let's see. Domino's, just pretty much noticing the volume coming in here, and they're going to be dropping earnings tomorrow morning, just like Intuit. Okay, next on the list, eBay. EBAY, currently at $45.18 a share. Relative volume 2.5. Average trading range $1.24. 25 billion $25.9 billion market cap. And the news for eBay is this is showing up on my scanners again. I do believe this is possibly hitting a support area here after its little bit of a recent run it's had. This support area may be around like 47.75, give or take. I don't know. It's maybe it's a support area. It could be more like here around 47.20 potentially, but I don't want to see it really go too much lower. But this thing might want to test this range and tight little range and create even tighter range around the $46 level, when the 50-day moving average can make it to meet this little trend line it's created. We'll see. This is eBay. Always slightly bullish on this stock because my cousin literally always uses this. So anyways, other than that, looking for a bounce up, possible support area for eBay, and they're coming in off earnings per share and sales beats and giving good guidance. So that's also why I'm kind of bullish here on eBay. Doing pretty good to make it out above this consolidation area as well. Okay, LH Laboratory Corp, coming in at $242.39 a share, $242.39 a share, we'll call it. 2.4 relative volume, $6.50 trading range a day, $21.3 billion market cap for LH. Possible support area as well. Looks a lot like those other charts I've showed you. Little consolidation zone from 237 to about 259, give or take, 258. All the price targets for LH are substantially higher, like around things like 260, 270 to 280s and 300 and above it even. Price targets are all solid for LH. Earnings per share beats and their sales missed recently. That was a couple days back. And that's LH LabCorp. The last on the list today is a stock that I actually put on here without having it show on my scanner, because I had other stocks that do similar work, like Wynn Resorts show up, and one other hotel company as well that is not this one, but HST was on the list a couple days ago, and it has created a big fat gap that it dumped out of here, and I was interested in seeing this bounce back up potentially. Earnings beat on their earnings per share and sales. Deutsche Bank has a price target with a buy rating at $23 price target for HST. Relative volume was a little light today, but again, I did put this on the list just because I was keeping my eyes on it. Average trading range is 53 cents a day. HST has a $12.1 billion market cap. And I'm thankful for you guys